Okay, I went to the Home Depot and bought some weed eating string to string my weed eater. And here I am, looked at a video on YouTube and trying to take it off. And I am struggling. Like, this is my first time. It looked so easy on YouTube. And I was shown this how to take it off before, but I'm struggling, y'all. So I need some help. And I went inside and got some professional help. You gonna use the other one?
I'll put me on no video and turn it off.
Even though my husband knows that I am a content creator, he do not like to be on video, but sometimes he'll allow me to put him on video, but this time he wasn't feeling it, y'all. But I needed to make some content, so this is it. How you do that? You just push it down and send the check?
I don't want to be on no damn video.
Why I can't do it? You don't want me to do it?
Just watch me and you can learn by watching me first.
Alright.
And we'll get up your screen.
Alright.
Next time.
Alright. I can't weed eat, y'all. I can't get hurt, so. Well, y'all, I'm not allowed to weed eat. The only thing I can do is observe and learn by watching. It's getting done. You can hear the sound of the weed eater. But I got another one over here. This is for my son Nigel. He's gonna learn to use this one, and I'm gonna use the other one. And the other person who don't like to be recorded on film told me I need to watch first to learn. So, yard's getting done, but I'm not doing it. I'm okay with that. So what you want me to do? Just stick to housework?
Yeah, stick you doing this shit in housework, whatever you like doing inside the house. Let me handle the weed and the leaf. That shit ain't no joke.
But you do know women do that, right?
Maybe a girl like that strong enough can.
You don't think I'm strong?
But you fucking quit after a few minutes.
Don't handicap me.
I seen guys smaller than you quit for lunchtime.
Baby, don't handicap me.
I handicapping you. I'm telling you this shit rough. It ain't what you think it is. Just by looking at it. Want a shirt clean?
I got my hair some clean clothes when we get in the house. But women do this job too, baby. I just wanted to help and do it because I knew you know, I wanted to learn. That's all.
I'm gonna teach you another day. But you know what, I'm gonna tell you something.
Yeah.
I keep telling you over and over. This ain't no easy fucking work.
I believe
What I just did is man work. That lady come around here and cut weed, it wasn't that high and that rough. It wasn't that high when she came back here.
All right. I'll just stick to the housework.